that also I want to meet with the other side so that also we can discuss. I want to sit down with Uhuru Kenyatta, His Excellency. I want to sit down with William Ruto, His Excellency. One thing that I discovered, nataka kuchoma. Unajua? Asante.
And also we can talk of the aftermath of the interview maybe.
Wajua tu sitakuwa hapo, but mtoto mimi nitakuwa kwa maisha yake. As long as you have my, oh wow, okay, that's interesting. Haya, tumepata kuja wajue my next baby mama. Allah. American Heights.
Ogadi top.
What up everybody? I'm good. How you guys doing?
We are very fine. Huko tunaona imepiga vizuri sana.
Huko nimejaribu. Mambo ya Sharon. Nimejaribu ni Sharon. Yeye ndo stylist wangu.
Exactly.
Alienda kangangana hapo akaniambia tupige hii.
Hebu tuambie umekuaje? How is life taking you?
Life is good. So far so good. We are hanging in there. Trying to risk kidogo.
Ila maneno.
Yeah.
Maybe tell us why are we here?
We are here for the anniversary of Bella Rio. Guys, see to chat kwa WhatsApp. So, Bella Rio Barbershop and Spa, best in town. A lot of branches. They do executive work, and we are here to celebrate their anniversary. That's their 4th anniversary, and of course, top host in the building. I'm the one hosting it, so we're about to have a good time. That's why we're here.
And also, we have seen umekuja pale na chopper.
Yes. Top host, you have to enter in style, and fashion, of course, is a big deal. So lazima tuingie hapo, lazima Luos land. Yes, we don't arrive, we land. Sasa we were supposed to land by the roadside. Tukakuja bana, na unajua tumekuja na chopa mbili. Sasa kulikuwa na hiyo ya mbele ya wiu ya kutoa jam. Alafu sasa kulikuwa na hiyo tulikuwa ndani. Kufika hiyo wiu ikaogopa ikaland huku. Ile yangu ikakuja kidogo, hiyo wiu ndio sasa na confidence. Tukamwambia ule bana, wewe rudisha chopa ilale, wacha sisi tupige lap. Tukakuja the airport authority hawaku clear so that we can land by the roadside. It could have been a security hazard. So tukapiga lap mpaka to river scenery nini, tukarudi tukaland hapo kwa shamba ya wenyewe, but imekuwa ni poa. But we are here, but the idea was we land outside here first of all, but hatukupata clearance from the building, so we land at the rooftop. Wakasema parking tena tukasema haya roadside. Mse wa hiyo showroom akatuambia ni sawa, we kujeni mumfanye mambo yenu. Tena kidogo kufika KCA, so ikabidi sasa tumeenda tukaland hapa nyuma. But we are here.
Exactly.
Safely, we thank God.
Exactly.
Yes.
Tumeshaongelea mambo ya what we are launching today.
Yes.
And also you've been trending for quite a few days.
I've been trending. Nimefanya nini tena? Nimeona kitu kingine mbaya?
Hujafanya kitu mbaya. You've been you just hosted Ricky G.
Yes, I just hosted Ricky G. Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
And also you've been looking for that interview for quite a long time.
Yes.
And something people can learn from you is keep on fighting for what you want.
Yes.
And also tell us, how did it happen? Maybe you got an interview, because most of the people wanafikiria maybe you were bribed something.
People get bribed to do interviews.
Exactly.
So personally, I've been looking for Ricky G for a long while, and we were supposed to do an interview a long time ago. Then I even did a poster. Okay, I did a poster, then ikakuwa cancelled. Baba, siupunguze kidogo tu tumalize, alafu ndo tuingie hiyo, si ndio? Poa. So tukeka poster waka confirm, then tena waka postpone, then wamepostpone mara 4. This one I even told the team, don't share any poster mpaka tufike wa Munyoro tuone tumefika. Even when we are going, I was not sure if it's gonna happen. Then we met the guy, and I was like, this one is gonna be one of a kind, one for the books. So I did the whole interview scared, but like I always say, if that thing you think you're scared to do it scared. So we did it scared, but it turned out to be one of the best interviews that we've done so far. Over 42,000 people were streaming the live. Right now we've just hit 1 million views in one day. That is also groundbreaking. And we had a lot of conversations in the interview that also I want to meet with the other side so that also we can discuss. I want to sit down with Uhuru Kenyatta, His Excellency. I want to sit down with William Ruto, His Excellency, and many other people, so we can also hear that other side of the story, to pick a story, and then we see what goes where. But it's been one of a kind, and I'm very grateful that he allowed us to sit down with him, invited us to his home. We ate, tukatitiwa vizuri. One thing that I discovered, nataka kuchoma. Unajua Pastor Dorcas is like a wife. Like I didn't know, like Pastor Dorcas is a wife. Like, this is what I mean. So in the public space, I know a lot of celebrities who are like married, and even politicians and business people and church leaders. In the public, when the cameras go off, bibi anakuanga na mind business yake, bwana na mind business yake, and I've seen it like everywhere. But for Rigiji's wife, like when the cameras are on and when they are off, she's still the same. Like ako worried, oh amekula, oh ameenda amemserve, ameamka anatutolea vyombo kwa meza, anauliza my children are you okay? I'm like mpaka tulifika nikasema inafaa Rigiji address kama amechill nini, akaniambia don't worry, I have that sorted. I'm like yo, this is something. I know people who would have been in her level wenye wangekuwa zile za wewe jipange, wanajibu husband vibaya. I've seen people do that, but for her she's like a wife like, well, that was something different, but that was commendable. Then Rigiji also is a romantic. Simuliona mapoem zake, muliona poem so mimi sasa nataka nikutane sasa na number 1 na wife yake, pia niwacheke alafu niwaletee mshene.
Exactly. Yeah, congratulations for that.
Asante.
And also we can talk of the aftermath of the interview. Maybe what are these things that have just happened now? Unajua lazima watu waongee.
Yeah.
Nimeona pale kwa mtandao watu wanaongea mambo mingi sana.
Guys will talk about a lot of things, which is good. That's what I intended to happen. That is what was going to happen. What did you think was going to happen? They were going to talk. So they'll speculate, others will spread rumors, but the purpose is they are talking. So it's a good thing, and it is serving the purpose, because what wakishasikia ati nini hiyo interview gani, they go and look for it and they watch it. That's why we've hit 1 million views on that interview in one day, which is groundbreaking. So definitely they're gonna talk. Yeah, and that's the purpose.
Yeah,
but mimi nimeogopa kidogo. Muniweke mimi sikusema kitu mimi. Si hata nyinyi mliona. Mimi sikuongea, si mliona? Si mimi nilikuwa job. Si ndio, mimi natafuta result tupige na hii pia. Alafu sasa sasa it was a long drive from Munyoro, so we couldn't come at night. Watu walikuwa wameogopa, nikamwambia ni aje tulaleni hapa nini, alafu twende daytime. So daytime tunakam tuna meet roadblock. Na roadblock na freeze. Nikamuuliza guy, okay, what's gonna happen? And I say chukeni camera and then you record. But we got here safely. Nobody has really contacted us to tell us anything negative or whatever. Everybody's just congratulatory messages and texts and calls. So it's good for now.
Exactly. And and let us know also, ulikuwa unafanya pale interview and the Rigiji come out. He's decided that I'm supporting your show by paying for some guys.
Yes.
Maybe tell us how is the progress, because watu wanafikiria kwa kamera vitu tofauti.
Okay, so Rigiji promised to buy tickets for 150 people. First ilikuwa was it 100, ilikuwa 200. Then Mama Boys, that is Pastor Dorcas, said she's gonna add 50. Then I was like, let's make it a round figure, let's make it 300 people. So they're gonna buy tickets for 300 people. They have not bought yet, because we are supposed to meet tomorrow on Monday or Tuesday to collect the money. So mimi niliambia wase tukipata hiyo do hivi nishike hivi, because you know the politicians wanasema tutatenga na itengwi. So tutachukua hivi, niende tickets niwaambie ndio hii pesa, nipatiane tickets 300. And then tutaambia watu venye mtapata. My DM is crazy. Munezes, Omoshes, Jackies, Caleb, everybody's taking. Munieke ticket. And I realize that a lot of people wanna come, but what you guys don't know, we had already actually sold 50% of the tickets. Half of them already gone. And I'm gonna get it either on Monday or Tuesday, and I will announce. I'll tell people niaje, tickets imetoka 300. This is the criteria to give, because when nikisema nakupatia mbona nisipe Caleb, na nikikupea na nisipe Caleb mbona umepea huyu. So I'll tell people how they'll get the tickets, and then everybody will get a ticket. You come, we have a good time on the 7th of June on my comedy special, My Mistakes.
Thank you so much. Maybe something new we are expecting that day, ama tukuja tu tujione.
Kuja mjione, simejua mimi sasa nikiingia sasa Obinna ko kodojo. So of course kamuni on that day on the 7th of June is gonna be at Red Room at Life Plaza. Tickets iko pale, tickets come through. Expect greatness. That's what I will tell you. Expect greatness.
And also, there is a question I wanted to ask.
Okay.
You talked of sometimes back, you were in an interview, you were live. You talked of doing a vasectomy.
Yeah.
Ulikuwa umesema mimi nataka kufunga ile.
Nataka kukata mawaya. What about it?
Maybe are you really doing it ama
nimeogopa tu, naweza fanya vasectomy but nimeogopa sasa ukienda ukate alafu ikatae ku sasa the worry tu iko hapo bana. Imagine look at them fine shorties alafu you can't so you do no worry. And then also what if later I want more children? You know me, I love children. Mimi nataka kuongeza watoi wengine kaa 5 maybe. Lola alitoka kwa Troria Lasbon kitambo, hamuna habari? Lola alitolewa hapo kitambo. And Lola is no longer the last born. However, I want to make it around figure maybe 10 children. Alafu iko sawa. Mbona unasema jamani, si bora we can take care of them. Alafu si ati nachokesha mama moja na watoto 10. You kidogo nataka ka mtoto kamkale, nataka ka mtoto Masai, nataka mtoto Mkisii of course. Of course Mkisii hapo.
Kamluya.
Mluya niko nayo. Liron si mamake ni Mluya Mkamba. Waria, nataka mtoto kidogo akiingia isili kidogo mambo anachemuka namna hii. Muhindi, mtoto pointi, mzungu pia. Sasa shida tu hapo kwa wazungu ndio kidogo tricky. Juu sasa unajua mimi napenda na kwa wazungu ni so I'm trying to see. Then Omosh, do you have a Luo baby mama? Sina Luo baby mama, si ndio? Why am I not having a Luo baby mama? Oh, you are Luo? Yeah. Okay. Do you want to be a baby mama? Okay, you want to be a baby mama? Haya, tuta discuss. Sasa Omosh utafanya namna hii. Na nataka kwa baby mama. Wewe jua tu sitakuwa hapo, but mtoto mimi nitakuwa kwa maisha yake. As long as you have my wow. Okay, that's interesting. Haya. Tumepata kuja wajue my next baby mama. Allah. American Heights. Tunaendana. Ndio hiyo sasa. So as long as you have my baby. Mambo iko sawa. Usijali, I'll take care of you and the baby. We might just not be married but mtoto atakuwa taken care of. So it's a contract. Haya. Sasa tumeshapata baby mama Mjaluo. Sasa wengine watume application. Wakisii, Wakale, wa Masai, Wahindi na Walalo. Nataka mtoto Msomali. Mtoto light skin, mtoto kidogo like this like that. Yes.
Asante, thank you so much. Wacha tukuachilie uende uenjoy pale.
Naenda kufanya kazi hata. Come tupige picha usiogope. Ni aje?
Hili kitu nimeongea sana.
Nani anakupiga?
Hata niliangalia.
Ndio hiyo sasa. Ndio hiyo sasa. Amepiga ndio hiyo ameshapiga. Mambo ni live. Mambo ni live, so we're here to celebrate the 4th anniversary of Bellario or Bellario or Bellario.
The best barber shop in 255.
That's what's up.
Know it, now you know it.
Now you know class, bro.
Everything as far as manners make it mad, and no further than Bellario.
That's
the best
what's
place
up.
to be as far as your grooming and being a gentleman is concerned.
Ucheki mzito ndio yako hapa. Hawajui ni nani yako hapa. They don't know who's here, man. All day, every day.
So tell you what, guys, ladies and gentlemen, don't look further than Bellario if you're in CBD anywhere in the world as far as barbershop is concerned. The only best place to be as is Bellario. I'm an Aje, bro.
That's what's up.
It's always in the place. The place to be always.
And tell you what, when you come to Bellario, consider anything as far as manners make it man, because these guys will got you as far as the haircut is concerned. That massage, that haircut that you're looking for at Bellario, that's the best place to come to. I'm an Aje, bro.
We're talking of class.
Mwacha
kunyolewa chini ya mti. Kuja Bellario, ukiingia pale first of all at the reception unakaribishwa, tuko mpaka na salon. Massage kidogo, mkono zao ziko si zile una iko fiti. Alafu wala wanakumassage na wanakuosha kichwa pia. Si unaenda unaoshwa kichwa na Morio. We buda wewe.
And it's a place for everybody. Don't be afraid that because you're married or something.
No, your husband is safe. Your husband is safe with us.
Very safe.
You had a question. Uko sawa? Uko fit? Anybody the question? Iko sawa?